We have innovative technology that is specifically designed to meet the needs of manufacturers and distributors. Vendavo is different from our competitors because we've been laser focused on manufacturing and distribution for over 20 years. We take that expertise and we infuse it into everything we do.
Since we're focused on manufacturing and distribution, that's where we put our resources, that's where our expertise is. Our consultants have experience in those verticals. So a company, a manufacturer, or distributor, when they come to us, they're going to be confident that they're dealing with people who understand their business and their business issues.
It's not just about the technology when you're implementing major transformations around pricing and improving commercial process and things like that. Having that industry perspective and that experience, it's a big difference maker when it comes to success.
We work with companies who play in different aspects of manufacturing distribution, whether you're a process manufacturer, whether you're industrial and spare parts manufacturer, or whether you're a manufacturing distributor. We know all the forces that impact your business, and we understand what you need to be doing to continue to grow profitably as a company.
We are focused on companies like you, manufacturing companies, distribution companies, services organizations. We are here to solve your problems, not the problems of another vertical.
I have experience in B2B distribution and in manufacturing and a little bit of e-commerce and some food service, so I've seen a lot of different problems. And I can assure you there are solutions to those problems, and many times it comes down to fixing processes and putting software on top of it. Thankfully, we can help with both of those things.
We are passionate pricers. In the past, we have been managing complexity, similar to what our customers are actually doing. And because of that, we have a really good understanding of how difficult things are.
If you're a manufacturer or distributor, you should partner with Vendavo because of the experience that we have and the fact that our solutions have been really built around business problems specific to manufacturing and distribution.